Hey guys, it is Wednesday here in West Virginia, and today we're unboxing an 80s Mopar for you. Hence why we have out the Mr.Norm's Grand Spalding Dodge dealership today. And it did sustain some damage on the way home from the Philippines in the DHL box, but it is repairable. The HVAC system came off, the chimney came off, and then the sign I had taken off already for transportation. So, anyways, it is still here. I can glue that back on. There's some internal damage in the garage area, but honestly, it doesn't matter because the lights in the garage quit working a while ago. And you really can't see the details on the inside of the garage, so it's not relevant. The showroom's fine, so that's the one thing good. The windows of the showroom are fine. That's the good thing. Some other stuff, like the side of the showroom, came loose a little, as you can see there. But besides that, it's not too bad. But anyways, today we're adding an 80s Mopar to the dealership, and that is the new Dodge Conquest, which when I remember as a kid, these were Chrysler Conquests, but they're saying Dodge Conquest here. Maybe in the 80s they changed the name. It went from Chrysler to Dodge, or vice versa, from Dodge to Chrysler. But anyways, I just remember it Chrysler Conquest. But here it's 1986 Dodge Conquest TSI, I believe. And then, anyways, over here it gives you some facts about the car. And this is the first release of our all-new Dodge Conquest TSI casting. The Conquest was sold under the Plymouth Dodge and Chrysler brands from 1984 to 1989. And this is in just a red, no special name for the red. And as you can see, the Dodge name, ages 6 and older recommended, premium series, and this is your release 4 version A. And then on the back side, it tells you what else was available in this release. And it is in the modern muscle, the 86 Dodge Conquest, the 2021 Shelby, and the 2010 Camaro. The vintage muscle is the 67 Chevy Chevelle and the 74 Dodge Challenger Rally, which we do have that one too. We'll be unboxing later this week or early next week for you guys. And the luxury cruisers, which is the 70 Chevy Impala. So let's get this guy off the card and take a look at him. So, pretty sweet looking casting. They did a great job with this, and I love that they put the mirrors on it. It does have the casted in mirrors. And then this whole back window section here seems to be plastic. Even these rear pillars going down seem to be plastic. Rear wing is plastic. So it must be part of the window bucket. But still yet, I can deal with that. Not bad. Wheels look pretty authentic, what I can remember. Nice detail on the front. Wish the headlights flipped up, but no biggie. The hood does open. Let's go ahead and try to get him open for you guys. I had it open the other day. There we go. Smack it hard enough, it comes open. And so, as you can see, nice detailed engine. As always, Autoworld does a great job with the detail on the engines. Detailed marker lights and such in the front bumper cover. You see the radiator. Front chin spoiler. Nice detailed base. And it is metal rubber tires, as always. Detailed fender tags, door handles. Detailed tail lights and such. Let me zoom in here so we can see if it has a vanity plate on it. I think it does. It just says Conquer, maybe? I'm not sure. Let me see here. The lighting in this room here is not so good. So, anyways, I'm trying to get it to zoom in for you guys. There we go. Well, not zoom in, but focus in. Yeah, that's what it is, Conqueror. So, pretty cool. As you can see, it has the emblems across the edge of the rear deck lid. So very nicely done. Let's zoom back out. All right. So there he is. Your 1986 Chrysler Conquest, Dodge Conquest, whatever you want to call it, from Autoworld. And then the Challenger there is from Autoworld. And then there's the Ram Chargers. That was the last car we unboxed in the Philippines, I believe. And we brought it back to show you guys at the dealership. And he will be a permanent resident in our showroom. As soon as we get the dealership fixed back up, I'll do another video on it. And we'll bring it back next week whenever we're doing the video on the 74 Challenger Rally. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Appreciate you watching, and we will be back next week sometime. And make sure to check out my Instagram if you are looking for some diecast to buy. We have a lot of cool stuff, and you can check out my eBay listings too. I left the link for my eBay store in the description of the video, so make sure you check that out. So I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time.